and the new RUUD 4-ton air conditioner. It's a 13 SEER, but it can run up to like 15 SEER, I want to say, or something like that. And the guy said the way they installed it should be on the higher end of that. It's new, manufactured at 622. There we go. Before and after. It's going to be nice to finally have an air conditioner where I don't have to worry about it constantly freezing up on me. So that's it. This one is, the train was taller, this one is kind of wider, if that makes sense. So, but that's it. I think they did a good job from what I can tell. It's running, it works. Now I just have to get my Nest thermostat to charge back up, so that'll work. Kind of annoying. Here is the new RUUD. Ultra Series, variable speed, high efficiency. It says it's EcoNet enabled. I also got a matching, it's an end coil that they installed actually, 4-ton end coil. That is the new furnace. Basically I have it running all the time, the blower motor just on low when it's turned off, but just to circulate air around the house. I think did a pretty good job installing. They didn't use any tape on the inside, that heat tape, they used it all on the outside, it's all on the inside of the furnace, so that's kind of nice. They made a nice, very clean install. So there it is. New furnace.